Hi guys, good evening. Tonight I'm going to make a soup. Meat, a pork bone with pechay, and I have here garlic and onion. So the pork bone is in cook outside because so nice to cook on the firewood, the soup. I'll be back guys. I need to chop this one. See you later. Agoy. It's raining again here. Last night it was raining, then whole day here we have sun, and then now around it is 5, almost 6 o'clock, the rain start again. According to Philip, the forecast here is it is 1 week raining. So we have our rainy days here this month. While I'm cooking here, I just take a glance outside to take a video. So wow, the plants really turns to healthy, nice flowers. See guys, the pechay from my garden, so healthy, perfect for soup, beef, pork bone. I wanna bring this one to Ian because he's starting cooking her the pork bone here outside. Here's in her menu, pork bone. Wow, yum yum. Nakuha na eh. Now I need to mix the veggies here and some of the hard pechay, fresh pechay from the garden. Look at guys, the soup, yum yum. This is a pork bone with little meat, and then the bone we can give to the dog, so there is no waste here. I wanna add tomato here. Lagi. See the pork here? That's already soft. And later I'm going to add her a little water because I pour a lot of salt. Made mistake. And it's coming here bringing water. That is not dirt guys, that's from the meat and then from the firewood. Yum yum. This is ready to eat now. I'm done. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching my video.